Something we can also do on our KuCoin app is earn some passive income by lending out our crypto to other KuCoin users. So the first thing we have to make sure when we want to lend out our coins is to put all of our crypto into our main account. So when we go to assets here on the bottom right, we want to make sure that the crypto we want to lend out is here in the main account. If it isn't here, all you got to do is click on transfer, then transfer over the crypto that you want to lend out. Then go from whatever account you have it on to the main account and then confirm, and then it's sitting there in the main account. And then we can go to home, and then we go to more right here for all the KuCoin features. We're going to scroll down to finance, go to crypto lending, and then we can see the market for crypto lending. So right now we are in the US dollar tether market. We can also change it for, let's say, the ADA market. These are the people who want to lend out their ADA, for example. But let's stick with US dollar tether for now. So once you decide what cryptocurrency you want to lend, you can get an idea what the typical daily rate or annual rate is for that specific cryptocurrency. So currently for US dollar tether, the best rate that people are offering for their US dollar tether is a 3.28% yearly interest rate. Let's check out how it is maybe for Ethereum. There we go down to a 2.19%. So whenever you want to lend out your coins immediately, you're going to have to underbid this rate basically. So if I type in 2.19% annual rate, then people are more likely to pick my coins to borrow basically. So again, let's choose US dollar tether, and let's see, the daily rate is 0.009. All right, so let's click on lend US dollar tether, and then we can basically decide on if you want to use the auto lend feature or the normal lend feature. So auto lend is basically automatically lending out all of your coins, all of your US dollar tether that you have sitting around in your main account, except for this amount that you type in right here. So let's say you always want to keep at least, let's say, 300 or 200 US dollar tether in your main account, so you have that ready for buying the dip or something, and the rest can be lent out. Then you can decide on what the terms are. So how long you want to lend it out until you can take it back again. So there's a 7-day, a 14-day, and a 20-day term. So let's say you only want to lend it out 7 days, so you can untick these, and then you have to decide on your daily interest rate. So currently, as we've seen before, it was something like 0.008 or 0.009, something like that. Then we can simply type in that amount right here and then click on enable auto lend, and then it will automatically lend out your coins for the best interest that is currently available. You can also simply choose lend right here, and then you can lend out a specific amount of coins for a specific time. So let's say I only want to lend out 100 US dollar tether for any term, or for, let's say we have to choose one term here. So let's say 28 days for this specific interest rate right here. And then we simply click on lend, and then our offer will be here in the borrow market, and then people can take our offer if they want to borrow our coins, and then they're going to pay us a daily interest rate. However, somebody who borrows on KuCoin, they can pay back their borrowed coins at any time. So then the term automatically ends whenever they pay back everything.